How you doing? This is Mike with Innovative Garage Door. This is the brand new Hormann 4250 garage door. They have redone their 4200. It is now the 4250. It is still urethane. It is still 16 plus R value, but the raised panel design is now looking like the rest of the lineup from Hormann. It's no longer the German square or long panel, so it's the 3200, 2100 type. The inserts on the glass are still super choice quality. Okay. I believe this gap here is definitely smaller than it used to be, so that's a plus for the Hormann on that. Still got the quality badge logo down here, and they do have the horseshoe bottom rubber now. No longer do they have the EPDM bulb rubber. The sections are still 1 3/4 inch thick, and we're going to bring you in here. This was a super tight squeeze here, 16, yeah, 8x66. We had to go with a 12-inch low headroom, inside mount of course only. We never do outside mount unless we absolutely have to. Squeeze the spring up there. See the custom jam bracket we made. Got 3 lags in, one there, not in all the way because there's a space between the plate and the wall. And then this one we spaced with the old opener arm. Opener is a linear, squeezed up to the top of the ceiling, 1 3/4 inch thick. And this is the 4250 Titan, and I'll show you. Love the Hormann bracket for this 4250. This is perfect on low headroom. You couldn't ask for a better quality product for low headroom. And of course we always do a dual spring setup. Even on a little tiny door like this, we do a dual spring setup. We've properly spaced the bearing with the drum with a bearing in between the bearing plate and the drum on both sides. This we squished down a little bit just so that it misses this for sure. This you don't ever see in the top of the opening anyway. The door is a good looking door. Oh, and one other thing, they're actually using Windows now instead of Dextron, so that's kind of cool too. So there's the linear LDC 0800, super quality, super quiet door opener. A little longer video than most of our videos, but we're explaining the new 4250 Titan from Hormann. Quality doors and openers. If you want to complement this door with a Hormann opener, that's great. If you don't, the linear opener works super nice, fits super quality right in there with it. So for all your garage door needs, Hormann 4250 Titan doors, call Innovative Door 630-271-9343. Visit us online, www.innovativegaragedoor.com. Visit us in person at the showroom at 650 Ogden in Downers Grove. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our brand new Hormann 4250 video.